What's the meaning of clean? Clean. Clean.
Clean. Clean. The word clean refers to something that is free from dirt, dust, stains, or any other unwanted substances. It implies a state of purity, freshness, and hygiene. When we clean something, we remove all the impurities and make it look and feel better. Cleanliness plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy and safe environment, both at home and in public spaces. A clean space is not only aesthetically pleasing but also promotes physical and mental well-being. Therefore, keeping things clean is essential for leading a healthy and happy life.